Jacob, what do you think you're going to learn this year in AP Bio?
Well, maybe about the cells.
Well, actually, you're going to learn
About ecology, evolution, cells, respiration, photosynthesis, biochemistry, body systems, plants, animals, genetics, and much more.
Whoa, that sounds like a lot of information. And we won't lie, it is. But after making it through the course, we have some tips to help you survive AP Biology. Check out this episode of JC Classified AP Bio Survival Guide.
In a high school full of learning, insane tests, and gross school lunches, Jacob Popek, that's me, and my two best friends try to do the impossible, create a guide that will help you survive AP Bio. Why are plants green?
Oh, that's so easy. We learned that the other day in AP Bio. It's because when the chlorophyll in plant cells absorb sunlight, they only absorb every other gray except for the green colored rays. And then they reflect the green light. And that's why we see plants as the color green.
Oh, okay, thank you.
No problem. Juan, why are you eating lunch right now?
So I have energy in this class and I can perform cellular respiration. Rookie mistake studying the day before.
Come on, here's your test.
Alright. Alright, true or false?
One eternity later.
I don't know anything. I'm ready. Studied all week for this test. I definitely got this. Alright, thank you. Oh, I know this one.
A few moments later.
Wow, this was an easy test.
Hi, it's Mr. Anderson, and welcome to Biology Essentials video number 4. This is on scientific evidence for evolution. Here's a picture of Charles Darwin much later in life. Charles Darwin was a very meticulous scientist. He gathered copious amounts of data and to show that evolution was true and that his mechanism.
Isn't the nucleus the powerhouse of the cell?
No, actually the mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell.
That's why he's in a different group.
Jake's Declassified School Survival Guide. Your results may vary.
I hope that helped. Aren't you excited to take AP Bio? I know I would be. Now let's discover current students' favorite topics and some more about the AP examination.
So Kristen, what was your favorite unit this year in AP Biology?
My favorite unit was genetics because we learned a lot about heredity and like where you get different traits from your parents. And I found it really interesting because a lot of people find traits that they didn't know they already had. Like we watched that video about chimeras, and I thought that was really cool and something I'd never heard about before.
My favorite unit was the immune system because I found it really interesting discovering how cells communicated with each other and how different kinds of T cells reacted to pathogens in different ways. And I found it really interesting to learn about how our bodies function, and the immune system is obviously a really important part of it because people get sick all the time, especially in school.
Jacob, what was your favorite unit in AP Bio this year and why?
My favorite unit was evolution because I like to learn about how animals evolved from one specific animal to another animal and how cells and life came to be on this earth. I thought it was very fascinating and interesting to learn about.
What labs can you expect to perform in AP Bio?
What was your favorite lab in AP Bio?
My favorite lab was definitely the gel electrophoresis lab. It was a way for us to really relate to real life and see how lab techniques can be used. Gel electrophoresis is used for forensic testing, and it can also be used for paternity tests. When we use gel electrophoresis, we combine DNA with enzymes, which digest it and break it down into different sized portions. And then we run electricity through the DNA, which is located in an agarose gel. When it's run through, DNA separates into different sizes. And in the different wells that we put it in, like strands of DNA align next to each other, and that's how we can see the relationship between a DNA in a crime scene or a DNA in a father or mother during a paternity or maternity test.
So Jake, what was your favorite lab this year in AP Biology?
My favorite lab this year was when we had the celery and it displayed capillary action by absorbing water and it going through the veins, and that occurred through the adhesion and cohesion of the water, and it was pretty cool to see how the celery actually changed color based on what color the water was as it went through the veins, and the bottom was a different color than the top, which was pretty cool.
Allie, what would you say was your favorite activity in AP Bio this year?
My favorite activity this year was the pig dissection. It was interesting to see the anatomy and physiology of the pig, and it was definitely really interesting to see how the pig's physiological and anatomical structure related to the human body and all mammals alike.
Wow, that sounds awesome. AP Bio seems like a cool course, but what is the AP test like?
The AP exam consists of a multiple choice section, a short graded math section, a few short answers, and 2 essays. The test is actually only about 3 hours.
The test doesn't seem too bad. But now here's the most important question.
So Jacob, after taking the AP Biology exam, how do you feel the year overall went?
I thought it was pretty good, and I thought I was very well prepared for the AP exam. We even did a practice one in school, and I studied at home, and we studied more in school as well. And if you do that too, you will also be in good shape for the AP.
Well, you've heard it here, folks. AP Bio is a totally fun and doable course. Just give it your best effort and you will be able to succeed. Take AP Bio today.